Good morning, everyone. Well, students, yesterday I have given you homework. It was question number 4 of journal entry, and I've told you to pass the journal entry, prepare its ledger, and then prepare the trial balance. Okay. So I'm taking it for the revision, and especially those who are staying at home and those who didn't start doing the work. Okay. So I'm requesting. It's my request to all of you to understand it and do the question properly. Okay. So question number 4 is telling that enter the following transactions in the journal of Ganesh Brothers. So you will be preparing the proper format, journal entry in the books of Ganesh. Okay. Prepare the format and then pass the entry. But I'm taking it like the first one, 3rd March. Date also you will be mentioning, but either it is, yes, it is covered here. So sold goods to Dev. Yes, sold goods to Dev. What will be the entry? Be quick, okay? Dev account debit to sales. Amount is 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Second transaction is I'm sorry, received from Dev in full settlement of his account. Here you are receiving the money. So what is we have cash account debit? How much? 98,000. And wherever the cash comes, discount comes to that side. जिस तरफ cash होता है उधर ही discount भी होगा. आपने बेचा था तो आप discount allowed करेंगे. Discount allowed account debit 2,000 क्योंकि full and final settlement बोला है. इसको पे किया है Dev को. ठीक है? So this is 1 lakh. Is that clear? Fine. Next we have sold goods to Manmohan 80,000. This is also on credit basis. Okay. Manmohan's account debit to
Sales account.
how much?
80,000.
So keep checking your journal entry. Next we have received from Manmohan in full settlement of his account 78,200. Okay. Here we have received. Yes. 8th March, we have missed that entry. Manmohan returned goods. You have sold goods to Manmohan, now he is returning. So this is what for you? Sales return. Sales credit है तो sales return क्या होता है? Debit होता है. Sales return account debit to from whom you are receiving? Manmohan's account. How much? It's 1,000. Okay. Now next we have received from Manmohan in full settlement of his account 78,200. So this is cash account debit again, discount allowed account debit. I think you are clear with this. Debit में होता है तो discount allowed, credit में होता है तो discount received. तुषार to Manmohan. Okay. Now here we have to find out how much full and final settlement. See, 80,000 goods we have sold. 1,000 goods rupees. 1,000 rupees goods you have returned. So he has returned. So you have 79,000 rupees to receive, but he has paid. He's telling that 78,200 he has paid in full and final settlement. Okay. So the remaining amount you can see how much is that? That's 800. So 800 क्या है आपका discount का allowed. Switch off this fan. Okay, so let's keep the entry. This is 78,200. We have received 800, and this is 80,000. All right. Is that clear, students?
79.
Yes. Sorry. That's good. Very nice. That means you are. Next transaction we have received cash from Ram. Okay. Here you have received cash from Ram. Simple. How much you have received? received from Ram and discount allowed. They have taken these kind of transactions in this question. Okay, he has given that 19,500 he has received and 500 discount allowed. So we were talking about this entry, received cash from Ram and allowed discount. So we might have sold something earlier which is not mentioned in the journal entry. Okay, the question can be like this also. So the same thing, cash received, cash account debit, you have allowed the discount allowed debit to Ram. Okay. So this is 19,500 you have received, 500 discount and you were supposed to receive 20,000. Okay. Next we have paid cash to Pawan and discount received from him. Speak slowly. Okay. So paid cash to Pawan. Pawan को आपने पे किया है? पवन से अकाउंट लिखना है आपको. पवन से अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट and discount received. All right. So how much you have paid? That is 4,700. Sorry, cash you have paid 4,700 and 300 discount you have received. So how much? 5,000. When the mind is here and there, so we commit this kind of mistake. So take care, right? And in the last transaction, it's telling that sold goods to Varun of the list price of rupees 25,000 at 20% trade discount. So be attentive. Sold goods to Varun. Varun को आपने goods sale की है, ठीक है? And this is on the credit basis because it's not telling about the cash discount and all. So list price is given 25,000, ठीक है? List price आपका 25,000 है and further telling that 20% trade discount. तो इसका 20% आप निकाल लेंगे, तो this comes, ठीक है? It's 5,000. ये आपका डिस्काउंट है. तो क्या प्राइस हो जाएगा? 25 में से आप ट्रेड डिस्काउंट माइनस कर देंगे, तो दिस इज योर 20,000 की ट्रांजेक्शन आप करेंगे, ठीक है? एंड ट्रांजेक्शन क्या होगी? सोल्ड गुड्स टू वरुण. So this discount will be entered or no? Trade discount. Trade discount will not be entered, right? तो sold goods to वरुण. वरुण को आप गुड सेल कर रहे हैं. वरुण को गुड सेल करेंगे, क्या एंट्री हो जाएगी? एंड अमाउंट क्या हो जाएगा? Yes. List price minus trade discount. Okay. So have you checked your transactions? किसी की कोई गलती निकली है? सबकी सही है? That's good. Now we will post it into the ledger. When so many ledgers will be there. Okay. नहीं, ऐसा भी नहीं है. Yes. First, I think you know the format. Those who are staying at home, you have to prepare the proper format of your ledger, and then you will be doing. Okay. We are short of space, so I'm taking in the short one. The first ledger is Dev's account. Now keep telling what you have done, right? So Dev account debit. I will not explain that way as we have done earlier. Okay, try to catch. Dev account debit. Debit में क्या आ जाएगा? And if I commit some mistake, so be alert. Try to catch that. Okay. So this comes 1 lakh level आ जाएगा. ठीक है? The next account we have sales. Sales account में आपका क्या है? Sale credit हो रहा है by Dev. How much? 1 lakh. Right? Now we have cash account. We have really short space here. What to do? Cash account. Yes, please. Cash account. Cash account debit. So reach at the debit side of the cash account. To cash account debit to Dev. And what amount comes? Cash account 98,000. All right. Then we have discount allowed account. So let's prepare it here. Yes. discount allowed account. I think it's visible. Yes. Discount allowed account debit to Dev. How much? 2000. Alright. Again we have Dev account now. We have already opened the Dev account. Dev credit हो रहा है तो reach at the credit side of this and buy cash account and buy discount allowed account. It's 98,000 and 2,000. ठीक है? यहाँ तक किसी की गलती कोई? ठीक है? Then we have prepared the Dev account here. Okay. Then we have Manmohan's account. So we have to create another one, that is Manmohan's account. So it is debited. So come to the debit side to sales. It is 80,000. Okay. Now we have next sales account. Sales के credit में आते हैं. We have already sales account created. Right? Credit में क्या है? By Manmohan. 80,000. It is 80,000. ठीक है? Now we have sales return account. We don't have that. We have to create another one. Sales return account. Okay. So sales return account debit. So reach at the debit side of this to Manmohan. How much? 1,000. Is that okay? Now next we have Manmohan's account. So we have already opened the Manmohan account. It is credited. So reach at the credit side and what is in the opposite? Sales return. How much? 1,000. Okay. Now we have okay. Again Manmohan account we have done. Next we have cash account. Cash account we have already opened. Okay. Cash account debited. So reach at the debit side of this and what is in the opposite? To Manmohan. How much comes in the cash? 78,200. Okay. Now next we have discount allowed. So we have to create this account. Discount allowed. बना हुआ है. So let's reach at that discount allowed account debit. 211. How much discount? 8. ठीक है. Next we have Manmohan account. We have already opened. Reach at the credit side by cash and by discount allowed. How much? 78,200 and this is 800. ठीक है? Clear? Now next we have where we are. We have lost somewhere. Cash account we have prepared. Okay. Then discount allowed we have done and Manmohan we have done. Right? Again cash account is there. Cash account we have already opened. Cash account debit to opposite में है Ram. ठीक है? How much is debited in the cash? 19,500. Okay. Next we have discount allowed. Already we have this. So discount allowed debit to what is in opposite? Ram. It's 500. Are you getting students? गलती हो तो ठीक कर लेना. ठीक है? Now we have again Ram's account. So we do we have Ram's account? No. We have to open Ram's account here. Okay. So Ram's account. Where is that? This one. Ram is credited. Okay. So reach at the credit side and what is in the opposite side? By cash and by discount allowed. It's 19,500 and it is 500. Okay. Cash का हो गया, discount का हो गया, and then we have Ram. We have done. Next, Pawan's account. We have to create. Is that visible? Not visible. Chaliye, we have to do Pawan's account. So Pawan's account is debited. So reach at the debit side. What is in opposite to cash and to discount received? it's 4,700 and this is 300. All right. Next we have cash account. We have already cash account given here. So cash account is credited. So come at the credit side. What is in opposite? By common. And amount comes of the cash. So it's 4,700. Are you understanding? Next we have discount received. Do we have discount received? No. Till now we don't have. So we have to open the discount received, and well, those who are at home, that won't be visible to you, but we are doing here. So this is discount received. Okay. So how much? It's credited. Discount received is credited by 300. So come at the credit side by what is in opposite? Common. And amount is discount wala 300. Okay. So this way we have done the ledger. क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? Don't worry. हाँ? कौन सा रह गया? Oh my God, where is that? वरुण. ठीक है, करें या उसको छोड़ दें? इस एंट्री को आप डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं, जितनी मर्जी आप एंट्री ले. देयर इज नो स्पेस फॉर दैट. सपोज वी डिडंट पास दैट. अगर ये लेते तो क्या करते? एक वरुण का अकाउंट क्रिएट करते हैं. सेल्स भी है ऑलरेडी. चलो ले लो, आप खुश रहेंगे. ले लेते हैं. हाँ, एक ही बनाना है. यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं वरुण. कोई बात नहीं. Varun's account. Varun account is debited, so come to the debit side. क्या है opposite में? Sales. It is 20,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And sales. Here is the sales account. It's credit. Come at the credit side by Varun. It's 20,000. Okay. कोई गलती मिली किसी को? Be honest. Be honest. टोटलिंग में थी. क्योंकि गलती नहीं मिली तो इसका मतलब आपका सही है, फिर क्यों नहीं टैली हो रहा है ना? Have you understood the concept and logic of this ledger posting, students? How to understand the thing? Give 1 minute to this. Here the dev account. तो आपका dev account यहाँ पे क्रेडिट हुआ है. ये सेल है. Here you can see that the account has closed. ठीक है. डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट इज इक्वल. अगर हम बैलेंस करते हैं इसको, बैलेंस भी हम शॉर्ट में ही करेंगे. ऑलराइट. सेल्स इज, इट्स टोटल इज, कीप चेकिंग, इट्स 2 lakh. डू द टोटल साइमल्टेनियसली. ओके. सो हियर द बैलेंस विल कम हियर. हम शॉर्ट में कर रहे हैं, वी डोंट हैव स्पेस. ठीक है, मैं राउंड कर रही हूँ जो हमारा जिधर बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन होगा. ओके. एंड हियर वी हैव कैश अकाउंट. डू द टोटल स्टूडेंट्स. 98,000. दिस विल आल्सो टेक टाइम. 98, 78. यही करना होगा. जस्ट डू इट विद मी. ठीक है. ये 1,95,000. 1,95,700 minus 4,700. So this comes 1,91,000. ये आपका डेबिट का है. ठीक है. नाउ वरुण का 20,000 डेबिट का ही है. ठीक है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? क्या किया? इसको आप कैरी डाउन इधर लेके आएंगे, फिर ये ब्रॉट डाउन उधर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. ओके. एंड हियर वी हैव डिस्काउंट अलाउड. इट इज 2,000. इट्स 3,300. डू द टोटल.
2,03,000.
ठीक है. 3,300 की टोटली विद मी.
2,03,000.
एंड दिस इज आल्सो आई थिंक इक्वल. It's equal 80,000. Okay. Sales return is having debit balance, and here the RAM account is having it's 20,000. But यहाँ पे इन्होंने mention नहीं किया कि what, like they must have sold something already. Anyway, So Pawan's account is having debit balance, that is 5,000. ठीक है. Discount received 300, credit balance. That's all. Okay. Fine. This we have to remove. So this is our trial balance we are preparing. First account is your Dev's account. There is no balance of the Dev account, so I'm not taking. Balancing method के according we won't take. Second is your sales account, right? So what balance do you have here? It's having credit balance, okay? क्या बोल रहे हो? उस दिन क्लास नहीं ली थी. 3 मेथड्स वर देयर. बैलेंस मेथड है, एक टोटल मेथड है जिसमें आप लेते हैं. बैलेंस मेथड में नहीं लेते. दैट्स कंबाइंड मेथड. ओके. नाउ सेल्स का ले लिया हमने. देन वी हैव कैश. कैश का कौन सा बैलेंस है? डेबिट बैलेंस है. ठीक है. सेकेंड वन इज योर कैश अकाउंट. हाउ मच? 1,91,000. राइट. देन वी हैव this is Varun. Varun's account is having debit balance 20,000. Okay. Discount received having credit balance 300. Keep checking students side by side. I should not commit any mistake. This we have done. पवन का नहीं लिया अभी. पवन का डेबिट बैलेंस है 5,000. हाँ, कैश अकाउंट we have taken. Okay. See, we have taken this one done, this one cash account we have done. Varun account we have done. Discount received we have done, and Pawan's account we have done. Now Ram's account is credited by 20,000. Okay. And here the sales return. Yes. Sales return having debit balance. Right. And then we have Manmohan. Manmohan का account balance है तो नहीं लेंगे हम. Discount allowed. Discount allowed is having debit 3,300. Now do the total fast. It's 2,20,300. Okay, and ये वाला किया? 2,20,300 किया है. 1,9,1,0,0,000. It's 2,20,300. Have you understood? गलती मिल गई? आपकी नहीं हो रही थी बट किसी की तो हो रही होगी ना. यही मेथड है. आई होप इट्स क्लियर नाउ. एनी डाउट? यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग? इसमें नहीं है डाउट? ऑलराइट. So I hope you understood, students. Those who didn't do the journal entry, ledger and trial balance, please do it, because these are the basics, and rest of the chapters you can understand with the help of this only, right? So it is very important. So go ahead. Thank you.